The High Court in Pretoria has heard that Bongani Ntanzi, the accused number 2 in the Senzo Meyiwa Murder Trial, was a well-known hitman and supplier of guns around the country. This was contained in an affidavit deposed by a Simphiwe Buthelezi, who revealed startling details of overhearing a conversation of Ntanzi and his co-accused's alleged involvement in Meyiwa's murder, and how a policeman was paid to cancel the case. Buthelezi, who is the same informant who directed police to Ntanzi's place when he was arrested, died in 2022. SABC News reporter Chriselda Lewis joins us now to shed more light on what happened in court. And the details, Chriselda, certainly shocking, emerging in court today. And we seem to be, lurching from one revelation to the next.
Well, that's right, Iman. Shocking details certainly emerging at the High Court in Pretoria by a certain Simphiwe Buthelezi in a statement which he deposed in the KwaNongoma murder case, which implicated Bongani Ntanzi, who is accused number 2, basically saying that, the man who we knew to have been a man working in the mines, in that statement, we're hearing from Buthelezi saying that he was a known hitman and gun supplier who even kept a consignment of firearms at his place, including in the roof of his place. Let's take a listen to what was said there.
Ntanzi Mafika is a very quiet gentleman and no one cannot suspect him. He is a firearm supplier and ammunition. Mafika Ntanzi brought a 9mm pistol, then he received cash for the said transaction. Bongani Ntanzi used to use 2 firearms in Fosora's house and surroundings, and had some secret meetings at the hostel with other people and share, I can't say what he said, or share certain things with me. There was a time in 2014 where I used to hang out with the homies from KwaNongoma, and the name of those people, my lord, seems to be Carlos, Mapisa, Nkani, Muzi, in a room where Kwabeni resides. Bongani Ntanzi started to give me attention. He was always visiting me and sometimes bring firearm to see to people, to show to people. We continue selling firearms to Keniselani and other people, especially in KwaZulu Natal, because there is a high demand of unlicensed firearm and ammunition.
Well, Buthelezi in that statement also detailing how he heard about the alleged involvement of the accused in Meyiwa's murder and how one of the accused's father allegedly paid police to squash the case. Let's take a listen.
Around June 2020, I went to Foster's and had Muzi, Sibia, and his girlfriend, Muzi Sibia, had serious, I don't know, his girlfriend regarding has seriously hit his girlfriend regarding the Senzo Meyiwa case, and attempted his father further paid a policeman to cancel up the case. I also heard that Bongani Ntanzi, Mapisa, Carlos, Nkani, Ntuli are involved in the murder of Senzo Meyiwa. I was very angry at them because they have killed a very important person who was the national goalkeeper of our football club and Orlando Pirates.
Well, it was blow after blow. Buthelezi's statement also detailing how Ntanzi's guns were allegedly used to to kill a top union member in Marikana. And strikingly, Buthelezi's statement states that when he asked Ntanzi if he too was killing people, that statement says, he says, it was a man's job. Take a listen.
Bongani Ntanzi was staying in Rustenburg and making money securing firearms. He also supplies more firearms in Marikana, and Bongani Ntanzi invited me to visit him in Rustenburg, where I overheard him talking on the phone with Mapisa that they did a good job by killing a union member in Marikana. I heard that the person that was killed is a big person and very powerful, and I asked him, is he also started killing people? And he said to me, it is a man's job that he had to do because he need money to make a better living. And I warned him about it. Bongani used to keep small quantity of firearm and ammunition in his room. He used to keep firearms in his room and the roof of his room.
Well, certainly, Iman, obviously shocking details inside this court here today, essentially linking accused number 2, Bongani Ntanzi, to a string of murders. A man, as I indicated earlier, who we got to know as someone who was working in the mines. Of course, you'd know that all the accused deny being involved in the death of soccer star Senzo Meyiwa. This particular case, the docket that was referred to, this statement was deposed by Buthelezi in an unrelated matter in the Nongoma, a murder case in which Ntanzi was implicated. So these certainly startling revelations coming out of this court, in which a man who we got to know as working in the mines, being a mine worker, now we understand, according to the statement deposed by Buthelezi, as someone who was a known hitman as well as a supplier of guns to hitmen countrywide. Brigadier Bongani Ntanzi is back on the stand tomorrow. He'll continue to face cross-examination.
Chriselda, thank you very much for that. I mean, just listening to the details of Simphiwe Buthelezi speaking from the grave, in effect, one wonders how, issue like cross-examining his contribution to this case gets managed. But we'll hear back from you tomorrow. We'll hear more on developments in this matter. Thanks for joining us tonight and for that update. Chriselda Lewis, our SABC News reporter.